Hey guys, so I know it's been a long time coming, but your girl is finally back, and I will be doing my first 2022 huge natural hair unboxing. So if you guys want to see what I got, stay tuned. So guys, my last actual video was posted like a month ago. So much has transpired since that last video. Me and my kids did catch COVID, but we are doing much better and I'm super excited to be back on this channel. But if you guys want to check out our COVID vlog, I'm gonna leave a playlist up top. So let's jump into the unboxing. The products that I will be unboxing is 3 boxes from CurlBox and a box from Mielle. I did have these products for a while. I wanted to get this video out as soon as the New Year's rolled in, but you know, things happen. And I will also be letting you guys know that I will be doing another hair growth challenge. So if you guys are new to my channel, I do a lot of CurlBox unboxing. Purchasing non-subscription boxes from CurlBox has been a great way to help me build up my hair product collection. But I feel like I have a good decent amount stash for me and Harmony, so I will be cutting back on purchasing CurlBox. CurlBox was having, I believe that's 12 days of Christmas. I can't remember exactly what it was called, but they was having a box, and each box every day or every other day, whenever they did it, each box went down. So they have a box that was like $12, $11, $10. Not, that's how they did it. This box, I believe I only got for about $1 or $5. These products are from the Cream of Nature line, and this product is a moisture and twist curling mousse. So it looks like this. I do like to use these type of mousses on my wigs, my curly wigs, because it just helps the curl pop even more. The next item is a Scalp Refresh Scalp Oil, and it looks like this. So the next item is a Scalp Relief Cleansing Scalp Treatment, and it looks like this. The next item is the Anti-Breakage Overnight Treatment, and it do look like this. It do smell good. It's like a nice creamy texture. So the last item is the Restorative Daily Scalp Cream, and it looks like this. This smells like it has some type of mint in it. And it do say it's for dry scalp and protective styles. These products have no sulfates, no mineral oils, no silicones, and no parabens. 5 products from the Cream of Nature line. So this next box is the Battle of the Brands. I believe all the products in this particular box is just deep conditioners. So the first one that I seen is from Eden Body Works, and this is their strengthening deep conditioner. A lot of people used to rave about this back in the day, so I'm glad that I got my hands on it because it's so hard to find in stores for some reason. It have like a faint smell, and it did come with a seal on it. And this is a 15 fluid ounce jar. I will be starting a new series called Deep Condition with Me. So I will be letting you guys know how these deep conditioners actually work for my hair, or how they work for Harmony's hair. So this is what the box is looking like. So when you open it, it does look like this. The first conditioner I'm going to take out is from the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, and this is the Lymph Retention Deep Conditioner, and it also has biotin in it. I'm noticing a lot of products now are incorporating biotin in a product, so that is always a plus for me. And this do come in a 12-ounce jar, and I'm just going to open it to see how it smells. It do have a protective seal on it, and I do smell the hint of cocoa butter. The next item is a Mielle product, and this is the Barbasu and Mint Deep Conditioner. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And this is 8 ounces. This one is okay. The consistency is like very loose. Like, you guys see how loose that is? It's kind of like loose. So I really wonder how this is going to take on my hair. Me and Harmony do have low porosity here, but the smell do smell pretty good. So the next item is from the Curls Professional collection, and it's the Cashmere Plus Caviar Hair Mask. It does says it helps to strengthen, restore, and add shine to textured hair. This do have an okay smell. The conditioner do looks very thick and very creamy. The next conditioner is from the Kenra. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And this is the Nourishing Mask. This is 5.1 fluid ounces. I actually like the little container that it comes in. And it do have a little pull seal on it. This do smell a little perfumey for me, but it's very faint. It do look like the consistency is very thick. So the next and the last product in this box is from the Wakati brand. Hopefully I'm saying that name right. And this is the Optimum Moisture for Fingerling Detangling Water Activated Advanced Conditioner. And it does look like this. It do come in an 8 fluid ounce bottle. I did hear a lot about this brand, but I never actually tried it out. So I can't wait to see how it works for my hair. Ooh. It don't really have a smell to it. It do look like it's very thick, as you guys can see. So that is 6 extra deep conditioners for me and Harmony hair. So I can't wait to try those products out. The next curl box is the surprise box. First item that I do see in this box is from the Taraji P collection. And this is the mint conditioner. And this conditioner is supposed to replenish, soften, and moisturize the strands. It do come in an 8 fluid ounce bottle. This nozzle is very different. I never really seen any product that look like this, so hopefully this does call for easy application. The next product is from the ORS Curls Unleashed Curly Coil Rich Styling Cream, and this is a 16 ounce jar. This do have like a strong scent. I don't care too much for this, but that's how it looks. The next product is the Maui. I hope I'm saying that right. But this is the Moisture Hair Styling Curl Quenching Plus Coconut Oil Ultra Hold Gel. And it do come in an 18 ounce jar. Ooh, that is strong. But that's how that looks inside. I can't wait to the summertime because I do have a lot of gels. And I do want to try a lot of wash and goes this time around, so I can't wait to try this out. And last but not least, it looks like it's another Taraji P hair product, and this is the Honey Fresh, and it's a clarifying shampoo with moisture. It states that it cleanses, detox, and hydrate the hair, and it do come in a 12 ounce bottle. So I do have the shampoo and the conditioner. It do have a faint smell, and I do like the packaging. The bottles is very different. So only 4 products came in that box. And last but not least, it's my Mielle Organics packaging. Now, I did forget what I ordered. So the first item I see in this is the Hawaiian and Ginger Moisturizing Styling Gel. And this is 12 fluid ounces. I think I got this for Harmony. And that's how it looks. I don't know why I got more styling gel because I have so much. So I did go ahead and purchase 6 bottles of the Mielle Organics Healthy Hair Gummies. And like I said, they was on sale for $6. I believe the original price is about $25 bucks. So $6, that's the deal for me. I did go ahead and purchase another bottle of the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. And it looks like this. So altogether, I do have 22 hair products right in front of me, but we're going to jump into the hair growth challenge. So because I am a little behind, I will be extending this challenge up until February 8th of 2023. God's willing, I'm able to see that year. I will be doing 6 months of the Mielle gummies, and I will also be doing 6 months. I have to get 3 more bottles, as well as using the Main Choice hair oil. So while I'll be taking the Mielle Organics gummies, I will be also using the scalp oil. These are going to be the only 2 oils that I will be using for the whole entire year. I love my Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops, but I'm gonna have to put those on hold until I'm finished with this challenge. I would like to reach my goal of waist length one day, so this is gonna be a start. I will be giving you guys an update and letting you guys know how my journey is going. And that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you do like unboxing videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so when I do drop videos you guys won't miss it. But I hope you guys stay safe and be blessed. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. My mic wasn't even on my shirt. Hopefully, look, I ain't doing this shit over.